Hey Mail Online, this is going to be a makeup tutorial on this spiderweb makeup look, and this would be perfect for a look if you don't have a costume or you're going to work and you can't go crazy on the makeup, or for a last minute makeup look for Halloween. I'm starting off with Sugar Pill's Buttercup Cake eyeshadow as a transition shade. Then I'm going in with Acid Berry, focusing that just below the transition shade to give a really nice lime green look. Then I'm adding Stealth from Makeup Geek to define the crease a bit more. For the lid, I'm using Makeup Geek's Envy, which is a dark shimmery green, and I'm just pressing that all over the lid and into the crease, and then I'll be blending it out into the crease as well. And then blend all the shadows together so you don't have any harsh edges. Then from Morphe Brush's 35B palette, I'm taking a mixture of dark and turquoise greens and using them to blend out Envy, and just add as much colour as you want to really make the green pop. Then I'm going back in with Acid Berry to bring back some of that lime green. Then I'm taking a dark green shadow from the 35B palette and creating a kind of halo eye look, so focusing it on the outer lid, into the crease and the inner lid. And I'm also adding a bit of black just to make it look a bit more smoky, and then blend them both together. For the centre of the lid, I'm using Makeup Revolution Awesome Metals eyeshadow in Pure Platinum, and I'm just pressing that on with my finger. And to put on top of that, I'm using Violet Voss's glitter in Gabriella. For the lower lash line, I'm using Makeup Geek's Mocha. And then I'm using Corrupt to put on top of that, and then blend them both together. For the spider web, I'm using NYC's black liner, and I'm just creating long lines at a curved angle to create the web. It doesn't have to be this big and you don't have to add this many lines, but this is just a general guideline of how you can make it look. And then just neaten up the edges and darken up a few areas. And this part is quite self-explanatory. Just start creating all the curved lines around the long lines and connect them to each one. And if you do mess up on some certain lines, you can go in with a bit of concealer and neaten up the lines, or you can go in with more eyeliner and thicken them up a bit. For highlight, I'm using the 35B palette again, and I'm using the white eyeshadow for the inner corner and brow bone. And then I'm going in with Sugar Pill's Lumi loose eyeshadow for the inner corner. For lashes, I'm using Eldora B184, and these lashes were just perfect for this spiderweb look. They just matched it perfectly. And that's the finished tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed this look. Make sure to check out my Instagram, YouTube and Facebook. All the links are at the end of the video. Bye!